Hi, Namaskar and welcome to my channel. Today we will going to start MCQ questions of migration, Indian people and economy. Before going to start the video, I want to inform you some important information or data regarding this. With first question, what is migration? Migration क्या होता है? तो migration means it is the movement of people from one place to another in search of job opportunities or better living standard or some other reasons. There are two reasons mainly, push factor and pull factors. And about Indian diaspora, there are three wave: first wave, second wave, and third wave. And if regarding migration of India or census of India, first census of India was conducted in 1881. Complete first census of India was 1881 and first census of India was 1872. And first major modification was in 1961, added place of birth and duration of residence, and in 1971 addition of information of place of last residence and duration of stay at place of enumeration. In 1981 region for migration added. It was all about migration of census of India. So and more thing of class 12th Indian people and economy migration chapter, there are four stream: rural rural to urban area, urban to urban, and urban to rural area. There are first one out of 315 million migrants enumerated on the basis of last residence. 98 million changed their place of residence in the last 10 years, and out of these, 81 million intrastate migrants and dominated by female migrants due to marriage. And one more, that 15 million people migrated from other countries, and under this 96% from neighboring countries like Bangladesh. 3 million people migrated to our India, and Pakistan 0.9 million, means 9 lakh people migrated to India from Pakistan, and Nepal 0.5 million migrated to India, and 0.16 million people from Tibet, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran and Myanmar, and 20 million people of Indian diaspora spread across 110 countries. It is most specially to Indian diaspora, and most important in Indian diaspora is that after liberalization in 1991, as you know, in the 19th century, education and knowledge-based Indian immigration, means outmigration, has made Indian diaspora one of the most powerful diaspora in the world, because our Indians going to abroad in foreign countries, due to this brain drain taking place, and their countries developed. So let's begin today's topic, migration. MCQ on migration, class 12th, Indian people and economy. First question, what are the main cause of migration? as I have tell you, there are two main factors. There are push factors and pull factors. Here answer will be third, both. Question number 2, how many streams of migration? There are 4 streams: rural to rural, rural to urban, urban to urban, urban to rural. Question number 3, which of the following cities who receive highest number of migrants? Its correct answer is option A, first, Mumbai. Mumbai receiving highest number of migrants in India. Question number 4, which state of India receive highest amount of remittance from migrators? As I have tell you that many of migrants from India migrated to abroad for their better living standard, better salary, better educational opportunities, and other facilities in abroad. Question number 4, which state of India receive highest amount of remittance from migrators? Its correct answer is Kerala, because most of the people from Kerala are receiving highest amount of remittance. Question number 5, in which sector do migrants mostly work? Its correct answer is industry. For industry, industrial labor, migrants, immigrants means immigration, EMI migrants means out migration. Question number 5, do you know the legislation for migrants in Europe, USA and Australia? Yes, we have to write yes. Question number 6 का ऑप्शन फर्स्ट होगा. Question number 7, which state of India receive maximum migrants? Its correct answer is Maharashtra. Question number 8, what are main reason behind male migration in India for rural to urban area? It is obvious that from rural area to urban for better employment opportunities, better educational facilities, better health facilities. But here talking about main reason. What is main reason? First reason behind male migration. Here male migration. So its correct answer is employment. Option first, its correct answer. Question number 9, what are main reason behind female migration in India? Option A, marriage. Option second, education. Third, health. Fourth, job. Its correct answer is marriage. Due to marriage, female migration in India is main reason. In Meghalaya, due to marriage, male population migrated taking place. In Meghalaya, 2% all around India, 2% migration taking place due to marriage. Male migration taking place due to marriage, only 2%. Remember this. Question number 10. What are the causes of migration? As we know all about poverty, education, employment, health, sanitation, all about security, all about. So here option first poverty, second education, third health, fourth all. Here all answer is there. Answer is all. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comment what I am lagging behind, so that in upcoming video I will modify according to your comments. Thank you for watching this video. Take care yourself. Thank you.